It's the age-old question. Do you eat chocolate when it's come straight from the fridge or do you have it at room temperature? Well, I've brought the expert in, Thomas from Lindt. How should we eat our chocolate?
Look, it's really personal, isn't it?
Yes,
And
it is.
everybody likes their chocolate in a specific way. Like my own brother, Bert in Switzerland, the home of chocolate, he has always chocolate in the fridge.
Yes.
So it really depends. But I want to show you what it actually does, because it all is down to this. This is the cocoa butter, right? So this is the natural fat of the cocoa bean, and that's what gives the chocolate its nice structure, its nice snap, and that sort of melt. Because the melting point of cocoa butter, even if you touch this, the melting point is actually below our body temperature. So as soon as you have it on your tongue, it actually starts to melt. So this one's been in the fridge. So we'll do like a little taste comparison.
Sure.
So you can see that the chocolate will be really, really firm when you break it.
Okay.
But also like your palate actually has got less sort of sensory when something cold hits your palate. So it needs to work harder to actually melt the cocoa butter and melt that chocolate and release all that flavor on your palate. So very different eating experience altogether.
It's almost like it slowly it melts on your tongue.
Exactly.
Because obviously it's colder.
And as a comparison, I'll make you eat a lot of chocolate.
Jeez, it could be worse jobs, I'll tell you that. And
So that's at room temperature, and that's really where it unfolds all the sort of complexities, those beautiful cocoa flavors as well on your palate. So to me, there's really no right or wrong. So if you prefer chocolate to have that firm snap and it takes a long time to actually melt in your mouth to release that flavor, or really just have it at room temperature, that's the key.
I do like it when it's cold, but my preference is definitely room temperature. I think the aroma is second to none and it is much smoother. So for me, room temperature. For you, maybe cold.
There's a little good tip as well. So if you do keep your chocolate in the fridge and you have an open block,
Yes.
don't put it open into the fridge like this, because there's all these different odors floating around in your fridge.
Yep.
And cocoa butter and chocolate loves to absorb different odors. So get yourself a little seal bag and just wrap it chocolate up really nice and tight, and then it's actually ready to go in the fridge.
Fantastic tip. Thank you so much.
There's, very personal. If you like it crunchy, put it in the fridge. The main thing is you enjoy and savor chocolate.
Exactly. Well said.